Hey guys, it's Amar back with another video, and for anyone who doesn't know me, I'm a hair and fashion enthusiast. If you are wanting tips and tricks to level up your hair game, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to remove your middle part, specifically your middle part line. Now I know a lot of guys want to style their middle part but sometimes refrain from doing so because of that middle part line. They may just feel insecure or may feel like they can't look their best because of that line. So one of the main reasons why you may have this line is because your hair has become too long, which means that naturally it's being weighed down, causing it to split in the middle. So if your hair has become too long and you are wanting to get rid of this line, you have two options. Option number one is to slick back your hair, which will allow you to hide the line. And option number two is to wear your hair down, so creating a fringe. Now I would only recommend this guys if you are going for a French crop, because otherwise it just might not look good. So in order to fix this and achieve your desired hairstyle, you are going to need some tools. So some of the things that we are going to need include a hairdryer, a round brush, a wide tooth comb, and your desired product, so whether it's powder, paste or pomade. So firstly guys, ensure that your hair is damp, because this will allow you to direct the hair anywhere you want it to go. So I started off by putting in my pre-styler using the hairdryer to create that middle part hairstyle. So to get rid of this middle line guys, all we are going to do is use your hairdryer, use your round brush, slick back your hair in the middle. That will hide the line. Now when it comes to adding your product to create the style, I'm using a volumizing powder, and you'll be able to see that I'm using a wide tooth comb to slick back the hair but then create my parts. So you'll be able to see as I'm creating the middle part, what I then do is I ensure that the middle is slicked back, and what that will do guys, it will hide the line and allow me to still keep that middle part hairstyle. So in the end it should look something like this. And there you have it guys, that's a quick fix in dealing with your middle part line. If you enjoyed this video guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel if you are wanting to see any more hair tips and tricks to level up your game. And until next time, take care.